Thunderboy 2000.
And it's gaming with.
I can't.
And it's gaming with Mackenzie. I want my name to be Super Awesome Gamer Girl again. Okay.
We figured out who the knocking was.
Why is
Who's that?
I don't know. Scroll down while I go check. Guys, we're filming. Oh my god. We're filming. Can you please just go? Can we just film this on your channel? We're filming.
I don't care.
We have a YouTube channel, you know. Gaming with Mackenzie and Thunderboy.
2000. Yeah, you can see my hand. That's one. Let's put our face cam.
I don't know who that is.
Want to put our face cams on there? Wait, no.
We're showing our faces. This is a vlog. Why? What? Who's making?
Here, I'll check. Nobody's there. Just the cat.
Cat.
It's just a cat.
I don't know. Hello?
Hey, we can just mock. Look, here, put the camera here. The cat's doing this, but we can do it too. Haha, cat. That's what you get. So we mock the cat doing this. Cat's doing hard, but we're doing light.
That's not the cat. The cat's in the backyard.
What is?
Ah! No! Get it.
Sorry.
We need to set it up on something. We are professionals here.
Yep. So we're gonna go outside real quick and check it out. We're gonna take the
Wait,
camera
I'm
with
gonna
us.
check through the window real quick.
You know we have 57 minutes. It's already 57 minutes. You know it's 57 minutes long.
That wasn't the cat. The cat's in the backyard.
It's like it already went to 57 minutes long.
The cat's in the backyard. We'll be right back. Come on, let's check outside.
Okay.
We'll be right back, guys.
After we in the pool. I'm gonna ask my
So
grandma.
there was no one out there except for this like weird dude in my
Yeah.
neighborhood.
Yeah. You can see I'm wearing some FNAF merchandise.
Yeah.
Some FNAF.
Merchandise.
Link is in the description.
Link is in the description.
Same with these Mario pants. Very rare.
How did that?
Yeah, very rare.
But they make you trip.
Yeah.
Just a warning.
And you can
And
slide.
if you're a girl, I have these
Link is
shorts.
Link is in the description.
I
for all
have these
merchandise.
shorts that say
All this stuff.
not a morning girl. And if you want
This
them,
stuff is at Walmart.
and if you want that, if you're not a morning girl and you want something to say, there's a tank top that goes with it and these shorts.
We can. Hey,
I just put the shirt on because it matches my shorts.
Okay, guys. So you should see our next video on
Yes.
We See Jaws on a water park. We see Jaws in our pool. We're gonna
Jaws.
We're gonna try try to summon him. Fill the water up all the way up to here, like in the pool. Then probably get in.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back. Watch our next video.